Tuscaloosa County, southern Fayette County, until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Bluff to near Kennedy, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayette, Berry, Belk, Bankston, Bevel State College Fayette, Stonewall, Richard Arthur Field, Fayette County Public Lake, and New Lexington.
There it is.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
There is also tornado warning as well.
Move to an interior room on the
In
lower floor
Crossville.
of the building.
Hmm.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama,